How to add a clickable link to your Instagram posts. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. Now first of course make sure you have your app updated and then go ahead and open it. Once you open it, tap right here in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. From here you'll find two buttons to add posts, this one on the top and this one at the bottom. Just tap on any of them. I'm going to tap on the one on the bottom. It will take you to your phone storage and you'll find all of the pictures and videos right here. You can tap on any picture to choose the one that you want to post, or you can tap on select multiple to select, of course, multiple pictures. Once you're done, tap on next in the top right corner. You'll be taken here. You can maybe add filters in the bottom right here if you want. Once you're done from that as well, tap on next in the top right corner again. Now from here, this is the place that you want to add your link to. So all you need to do is to tap there and write the link or paste it if you have copied it already. Now once you're done from there, you can of course tap on share in the top right corner and wait for some seconds. The post will be added to your profile. Now once you go back to your profile, you'll find the post right here. This is it. So you tap on it and you'll find your link right under it right here. And that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.